How can I log on to Bloomberg?
Very easy. Watch this video to find out. First, log on to the computer with your personal ITSC account. Then, double-click on the green Bloomberg icon. That will launch Bloomberg. On the Bloomberg startup page, press the Enter or Go key to begin. Each Bloomberg terminal has an assigned login name and password. It's at the base of the Bloomberg monitor stand. On the Bloomberg login page, enter the assigned Bloomberg login name and password. Then choose the Login button. Congratulations! You are now in Bloomberg. If you want to open more Bloomberg windows, click the plus symbol to open a new tab. This is the new tab. You can drag the tab to the other monitor to display both tabs at once. To start searching, go to the command line, type in a keyword or Bloomberg function code to continue. A Bloomberg function codes are shortcuts assigned by Bloomberg that give you specific information and functions. If you want to know more about function codes, you can go to the library's Bloomberg guide. In other tutorials, you will learn how to use function codes to search and analyze securities. If you need further assistance, please contact Bloomberg or the HKUST library.